I was yeah. I'm ready in there. I'm gonna miss you when the gambling. You gotta pay the difference. Either way, that's when you miss a flight.
What?
Let me do this, and I gotta move. Take all this out right now.
Right? You're right back there.
You have to take all this, and they keep all this stuff here.
That's why I couldn't get in right
Yeah.
Alright, we're bringing the rental car back to the place. And then we're going to the airport. And then we're going on the plane and all that stuff. Alright, whatever.
Oh, put the address. We gotta put the address in there. Is it raining? I was just gonna say it's starting to rain. It's raining.
This is it,
I don't believe it.
I can't even see.
I know.
I'm gonna crash. With that.
Oh, the guy in front of me.
Yeah. 94th Street, Terminal B. This is at 94th Street. Rental car.
God, this is so big.
We're not going home.
What's the lamp? Get that from 1 to 1:30.
Oh, okay.
Grandma. Alright, we're back in Texas.
All of a sudden, 10 people right after they take lunch.
Alright, we're going home. Ruffie!
Hey. Oh God, she jumped 5 times on my back. Oh, now she kissed me. Oh my God, her whole back has got probably marks. I need all those luggages in there, right there.
I'll bring them.
Okay.
You're going nuts.
Okay, yay!
All the hair's going everywhere.
Oh my God, my back hurts. Okay. Help you, Father, please.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. And thanks for coming on this New York journey trip. I'm so tired. We still have to unpack and everything. But yeah. Alright, peace out.
I gotta put the address in.